Hi there, Becky here from 168 Fitness. Just got a couple more weeks of my how to boost your results before the end of the year advice, and hopefully you're feeling the benefits, feeling good now in full winter mode, and just feeling energized, and maybe you've lost some weight or at least maintaining your weight, and just feeling maybe a little bit fitter as well for doing the cardio, and good in general. So that's what we want. We just want to boost you before the end of the year. So this week I want to focus on exercise, but as I said a couple of weeks ago, I'm not expecting you to do any more than what I was saying in week 1. I just want you to keep going. Now that is as hard as asking you to do more, or even starting in the first place. Continuing and being consistent is one of the things that a lot of people struggle with. Now that's where personal training comes in, obviously. Having me there to sort of book the sessions with you, turn up and make sure you're doing what you said you were going to do and what we've agreed. That's where PT comes in, or sort of bounce classes, or booking anything, signing up to some kind of program. That's where that's helpful, keeping you consistent. So if that's the sort of thing you need, then feel free to get in touch. I'd love to help you, either in person if you're local to Leicestershire, or online if not so much. But if you've already started, then I just want you to keep going. I just want you to keep doing what you started in week 1 when I said about adding some cardio at the appropriate level for yourself. If you haven't started because of whatever reason, doesn't matter. Let's get going this week. Let's make now the time. It's never too late to start, even if you saved it for that 1 week between Christmas and New Year where you're off work, and you just want to that's the only time you feel like you've had to sort of get started and go out for a longer walk or something. And yeah, that's fine. But like, if we can do it now, even better, because you're getting a head start on the Christmas indulgence and the New Year goals, and you're just feeling good, and you can feel really proud of yourself for not putting it off any longer and not waiting until sort of next year. And yeah, like a lot of people will do. So that's my advice this week, is to get started if you haven't already, and to keep going if you have, and just keep being consistent. Let me know if you need any help or have any questions, and I'll be back next week with the final week of my advice. And have a good week.